India is a land where Sufism has not only flourished in its true spirit, but has also become a way of integrating different religious communities. The unity of these myriad faiths can be very well witnessed at the dargahs of Sufi saints. So today we take you to Dargah of Nogaza Pir in New Delhi that has been serving as a bridge between different castes and communities.
Situated in the capital city of New Delhi, the shrine of Sufi Saint Mubarak Baba Naugaz Pir Sahib has served as a cynosure of communal harmony for generations, which is thronged by a large number of devotees each day from across the nation, irrespective of their religion. Regarded as one of the greatest Sufi saints, Naugaz Pir throughout his life spread the message of Sufism and peace. Whether one is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or from any other community, it is believed that the saint fulfills wishes of everyone.
यहाँ पे बहुत दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं और बहुत सारी मुराद लेके आते हैं। जिनको कोई भी ऊपर की प्रॉब्लम होती है या कुछ दिल में मुराद जो भी होती है, वो सारी मुराद यहाँ नौगज़ पीर बाबा के यहाँ पे पूरी की जाती है। और जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, आपको कोई भी बाबा का या किसी भी चीज़ का प्रॉब्लम्स हो, सो सारी प्रॉब्लम्स यहाँ पे सॉल्व होती है।
Located in Wazirabad area, out of the many religious sites that are present in the national capital, the Dargah of Naugaz Pir is believed to hold special significance. There is a story that the saint's height is around 27 feet tall or 9 gaj. His name is believed to be Mubarak Baba and that he ensured safe journeys and completion of all works related to betterment of humanity in his times. The shrine is regularly visited by devotees belonging to different faiths from Delhi and nearby areas. At his shrine, devotees offer a 9-feet chadar or shawl for fulfillment of wishes.
पीर बाबा के बारे में हमने बहुत कुछ देखा है और पहले जब से मैंने यहाँ पर आना शुरू किया है, पहले मेरे पास बहुत गरीबी थी, खाने तक का नहीं था। लेकिन जब से मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ, अल्लाह के करम से, बुजुर्गों के दुआ से, नौगज़ा पीर से, कि मैं बहुत शांत और बहुत सुकून हूँ। और जिसके बारे में कुछ सोच भी लेते हैं, अल्लाह की तरफ से दुआ कर देते हैं, वो भी ठीक हो जाते हैं।
The solidarity among the different religious communities has remained a hallmark for India's unity since time immemorial, and examples of religious and peaceful coexistence like these could be witnessed from the length and breadth of the country.